Okay folks, going to install a Ricochet skid plate on a 2018 Raptor. I want to show you a little bit here. This is a stock one. I thought when I first got the thing there, I thought this thing was going to be a little tougher than it was. It's pretty thick plastic, but if you look here, if I can make this thing here, I don't know if you can't really see that there, but it's busted right here. One time out, I think I was going through a stream, it cracked all the way along there, it shot the first time out. So don't trust those ones at all. They look good, but they're not. You can see here, this one's pretty darn thick aluminum. It's not going anywhere. Much better quality. With this particular version, comes with a chain guide and everything. Real simple. Does come with some bolts. There's 4 bolt holes, one there, and 2 up under there. It's very simple. I can't show you because it's underneath there, but if you just lay on the ground, you'll see the 4 bolts. They just kind of go up underneath there, 2 right on this side, and a couple up here a little bit farther. Really simple here. So this is a Ricochet. I'm going to go ahead and install it, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, there it is. Nice, easy installed. You can kind of see, goes up onto the side. Looks really good. This side right here, you can see there's a chain guide. Pretty thick connection right there. I'm not going to have to worry about this one. I think I forgot to take off the darn tag. Again, I was thinking this one was going to be heavy duty. It's not. I was also thinking the plastic one under the engine would be pretty heavy duty, and as I was under there, it's not busted, but it's not very long. So I'll be back ordering that one. I just thought this stuff would be a little bit stronger. It's not. If you're doing any riding, get some type of metal swing arm guard, and I definitely recommend a metal engine guard. So that's it. Got a Ricochet. I'm running out of batteries. Swing on guard 2018 Raptor. Fits good, looks good, super strong. Definitely recommend it.